Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled amidst the lush green garden, this 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, two-story house exudes warmth and elegance. It is located in Nuevo Resort, St. Mary, and sits on 0.29 acres of land. Its classic exterior, adorned with an intricate gingerbread trim and a welcoming front porch, creates a picture-perfect facade, greeted by a spacious foyer and an inviting living room with natural lights that illuminate the space and provide a focal point for gathering and relaxation. A gourmet kitchen with custom cabinetry, granite countertops, and a cooktop stove provides ample space and a casual spot to enjoy meals. Upstairs is a sanctuary of tranquility that holds the master suite. Its balcony provides a luxurious retreat with a breathtaking view of the Caribbean Sea. The ensuite bathroom features a double vanity, standing shower, and a jacuzzi. The backyard has a larger patio shaded by lush fruited trees. This beautiful two-story house seamlessly blends classic and charm, creating a warm and inviting home for families and those who appreciate timeless elegance. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 890,000 or Jamaican $136.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.